So good morning students. Good morning students. So today I am going to explain class 10 coordinate geometry, that is chapter number 7. Chapter number 7, that is for coordinate geometry. What do you mean by coordinate geometry? Geometry means already you know. It is geometry means what? Geometry means earth measurement. Geo means earth. Geo means earth and metry means measurement. We are taking in a measurement. So here this is coordinate geometry. What do you know? Coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. It is a branch of mathematics. It is a branch of geometry, mathematics or geometry. So geometry in which two numbers are used. Two numbers are used to represent the position of a point. The position of the point with respect to the perpendicular number line, that is for number line. Understood? So we will get 2 points, and so this is the graphical method, this is the x coordinate and this is y coordinate, right? This is x dash and y dash, right? So in the first quadrant, there are the 4 quadrants are there in that graphical method. This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is first quadrant, and this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant. These are the 4 quadrants will be there. Quadrant will be there in this. So graphically, so I will from the x-axis and y-axis, I will consider as a 2 points. I will consider as a 3. So I will take here up to the 3 points. The third point I will take in a positive direction. In this positive direction, this is negative direction, and this is also negative directions, right? So x and first quadrant will be always positive. The second quadrant plus and minus and plus quadrant. The third is both negative quadrant, all negative, and fourth quadrant plus and minus quadrant. Understood? So in the first quadrant I am taking that first number is 3, and I will take, or here I will take 4, or maybe 3 or 4. I will take 4 up to the 3. This is the point of dotted line. I will take here. This is the points I have taken. This point from x-axis the 4 and y-axis will be the 3. That we got the 2 points on the number line. This is the number line of the graphical method. So I have taken that point. X is on 4 and y-axis on, that is 3. This is x, this is y. These are the 2 points we are getting from the graphically onto that. This type of we are finding into that. The 2 points between the 2 numbers, the 2 lines that we are getting the 2 points on x-axis and y-axis. This is the x coordinate and y coordinate. So this type of we are getting the values in that geometrical. This is for coordinate geometry. In that same, if one line will be there from one point to initial point to another point, terminal point, so we will get the 2 points, that is x point and y point. So like that we have to consider the line. So we are getting the value of that, this type of, for even in the value of that given in that same on the geometrical. That is for coordinate geometry. So the distance between the 2 points, for example, distance between the 2 points from here to here. From what is the distance between the 2 points? Distance between the 2 points. Distance between the points. What distance between the 2 points? Then from here to here, what is the point will be there? Then we will apply. Then we have to consider as a x1 and y1 first point. That is for p. I have given the p value, that is x1 and y1, and similarly the q, x2 and y2. If you put in the distance formula, d is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the exactly the distance formula we are taking. This is the distance formula. Did you got understood? So in this based on the distance formula, we will apply some given values and we will solve the questions in the given exercise, that is 7.1. Let us study about continuously. Okay? Note it down. The first way, from the exercise 7.1, I am going to explain find the distance between the following pair of points. That is the first name. What we have to find? Find the distance between the base. This is the full base. So first question will be on 2, 3 and 4, 1. Now we have to put in the x1, y1, x2, y2. Right? x1, y1, x2, y2. Similarly, we have to put the formula. Distance d is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is equal. Right? We have to find the distance. Find the distance. D is equal to under x2. X2 is very value of x2 4 minus x1. x1 is 2 and whole power. Right? Plus, according to the plus, y2. What is y2? y2 is 3. y2 is 1, sorry, 1 minus. And y1 is 3. And that is whole square. And d is equal to under root 4 minus 2 whole square. Plus 3 minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2. Minus 2 whole square. Right? We put in the bracket. Now, here d is equal to, and the 2 square is 4 plus minus 2 square also 4, right? And 4 plus 4, 8. And d is equal to under 8. If it is split, we have to split the value in a root value. So, I will explain here. 4 to the 8. Sorry. 4 to the 8. I have split the root value. 4 to the 8. One is a normal number, one is a perfect square number. One is a perfect square number, one is a normal number. Like that we have to split the root value. If it is split, we can split. If it is not split, if just example as a prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, this type of numbers we will not split. Put as it is in your root value. Understood? So d is equal to square root of 4 is what? Root 4 is 2 to the 4. And what is the left hand side inside the root? That is what square is. This is the answer of the first question. Note it down. So the second question, minus 5,7 and minus 1,3, we have to arrange in x1, y1, x2, y2. Right? So again the formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We have to put in the value from the given question. And the root, what is the x2? x2 is what? Minus 1. Minus sign is x1 is minus 5. We cannot put in a minus 5 like that. The whole square. Right? So minus we cannot put open it. We have to put in a bracket form. Plus y2 is 3. Minus 7. y1, what is y1? y1 is 7. That is whole square. Did you got understood? So after that, so d is equal to minus 1 minus into minus plus 5 minus into minus plus 5 as it is the whole square, right? Plus minus 7 plus 3. We have to subtract. Here value is sign, we have to put minus only. 7 minus 3, that is 4 whole square. After that, right here continuous. D is equal to under plus 5 minus 1. How much? 1 plus value, 1 minus. We have to subtract. 5 minus 1, 4 whole square. Plus minus 4 whole square. And d is equal to 4 square is 16 plus 4 square minus 2 minus 4 into minus 4 is plus 16. What understood? So we have to add this one. We have to split. If it is split in the root value, we can split. One is perfect square number, one is normal number. Like that we have to split. See, 16 to the 32. I have split it. One is a perfect square number. 16 is a perfect square. 4 for the 16. Root 16 is 4. And 2 will be as this. One is a root number value square and one is a normal number. And this is equal to. So square root of 16 is 4. 4 4s are 16. And remaining what is that inside the bracket? That is 2. That is for square units. This is the final answer of the second one. Note it down. So this is third question. I am going to explain. This is third one. A comma B and minus A comma minus B. I have to only arrange x1, y1, x2, y2. Right? Again we have to apply the same distance formula. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to 2. Now we have to put and b is equal to under what is x2? x2 is what? Minus a minus n comma y1. x1 is a plus y2. What is y2? y2 is minus b minus n comma. And what is y1? y1 is b whole square. Right? After b is equal to minus a. Remember that. We don't get confusion. Same. Minus 1a, minus 1a. So both are minus sign only. We have to put minus sign 1 plus 1 2. That is a should be as it is. Keep it in mind. Don't get confusion. Minus 2a whole square. Plus minus b minus 2b whole square. What understood? After that. 2 square is 4. Again, b is equal to under root minus 2 whole square is 4a square. Correct? 2 square is 4 and a square is 8 square. Plus, similarly, minus 2 square is 4 only. 4 again b square. 4b square. Right? And what is the common in that both? We have to take b is equal to 4 a square plus b square. Right? We have taken the common. Square root of 4. What is the square root of 4? And d is equal to under root a square plus b square. This is the final answer of that one. We got in that. We have to find out what it is. Write down. So the second main, find the distance between the points. The 2 points should be given 0, 0 is that is for origin. For example, you see that is line between this is x-axis, this is y-axis. That the center is origin 0, 0. Remember that 0, 0. And another point should be given 36, 15. You can now find the distance between the two towns. That is the distance between the two towns. One A town and B town. Discussed in section formula will be there. That is in that part also. That same question also given. We can find that also. Now we have to find the distance between the points. We have to find the distance between the two towns. So that is 0, 0, the first town, and the 36, 15 is given. We have to find the distance between the two towns. And x1, we have to put x1, y1 and x2, y2. Similarly, the same formula we have to apply. Distance d is equal to x2 minus x under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Similarly, and d is equal to under root. Now, x2 bracket x2. What is x2? x2 is 36 minus 7. And y x1? x1 is 0 and whole square plus y2 is 15 minus y1 is 0 whole square. Now I try to note it here. D is 36 minus 0 is 36 whole square plus 15 minus 0 whole square, that is 15 only. 15 whole square. Now 36 square we have to know that. If we know that, that is 36 into 36 we have to multiply. Not for 36 2s are 36 into 36. D is equal to under root 1296. You have to remember the squares also. Up to at least up to 30 you have to remember that in the 10th standard. So 36 1296 and plus off, and 15 square is 225. If you add them both, what we need here? See here. 1296 plus 255. If we add plus 7, 6 plus 5, 11, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, carry on 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus carry on 5, that is 1,500, under root 1,521. How to split the root value? This is in the root value. We have to split in a table. We have to take the LCM part by using a small digit numbers as a prime numbers. Then we have to split off. See here in the working problem. 1, 5, 2, 1. The both number will come in 3 table only because 3 5 are 15 and 3 7 are 21 it will come. So in 2 table odd numbers will not come. So we have to take a 3. 3 5 are 15 and in 2 table there is in 2 will not come single digit. 3 zeros are 0 and 3 sevens are 21. Like that we have to take. Did you got understood? So after that we have to take again similarly the 3 table only. So 3 ones are 3. How many left? 2. 2 and 0 is 20. Again 3 ones are 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. And 2 is 0 and 20. That is 3 6 are 18. 20 minus 18. 2 left. 2 and 7 that is 27. 3 9 is 27. This is a perfect square we are getting in that. What we are getting? That is perfect square that we are getting for 13 into 13. 13 13 is 169 and 13 is 13. Now we got this. Right? After that we have to put in the value. So E is equal to what we have to write? We have to write 3 into 3 and 3 into 3 into 13 into 30. These are the values of the LCM part we have to write in that. Then what we have to write? First not to multiply this into this into this multiply and this into this multiply. So here see under root 33 is 39 into 33 is 39. 33 is 39 and 2 times will be there the root of value. So we can write so d is equal to so under root 39 whole square, right? 39 whole square. The square and root get cancelled. After that we have to put d is equal to 39 square units. This is the final answer. So the third one, that given question, determine if the points, that is first one, 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 1 are collinear. What it is? Collinear. What do you mean by collinear? For example, this is one track of there. This is another track. Point A, point B, point C, point D. Point A and this is one track. This is track 1, this is track 2. Right? So here, this, the A and B are collinear. But A, B, C, D are not collinear. Because they are standing only, A and B are standing only on the one track. And C and D is also, that is also collinear because they are standing on one track. But if you like that, A, B, C, D. If you tell like that, just you see this track 3. A, B, C, D are collinear. Why? Because the 4 of them standing on one track. Just as a platform number 1, platform number 2, platform number 3. On the platform number 3, the 4 of them standing A, B, C, D are collinear because the 4 of them standing on one track. If they are standing in different track, but this is not a collinear. So collinear means that is the one track only they have to stand. Did you got understood? So they have to stand in a one track. Then we call it as that is a collinear. This is also the given A, B and C. Let us find out. We have to take the solution. And first we have to take first AB, then BC, then CA. Like that, the 3 points value, what it will be, the distance will come. That is collinear or no, we have to check it. First, then A, that is 1, 5 and P that is 2, 3. We have to find out index. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Right? After that, I will repeat that one. Okay. Now here we have to take the distance formula. D is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula. Distance we have to find first AB. So according to the distance formula, we have to solve x2 bracket. x2, what is x2? Minus x1 is 1 whole square plus y2 is 3 minus 7 y1 is 5. That is whole square. And after that, d is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1, that is whole square, plus minus 5 plus 3. We have to subtract, that is 5 minus 3 is 2, that is minus 2, bigger value sign. So again, I will write off here, I will write here again. So here, d is equal to 1 square is 1 only, under root, and minus 2 square is 4, that is 4, and I will write here only. D is equal to 4 plus 1, that is D is equal to root 5. Root 5 is a prime number, we can't split, that is for square roots. Square units. Now similarly we have to take BC. See here. AB we are taken, the value we got at the distance is for root 5, and similarly we have to take, that is for BC, that is B value. B is 2, 3, that is x1, y1, and C minus 2, minus 1, that is x2, y2. Again in the similar distance formula, distance D is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Right? So D is equal to under root. What we have to write? We have to write distance formula of the x2 is minus 2 and minus x1 is 2 whole square plus y2 is minus 1 and minus sign formula, and y1 is 3 whole square. And after that, minus 2 minus 4 whole square. Already I told the both values are minus, we have to add, but sign should be as it is in the minus form, plus sign. Minus 3 minus 1, minus 1 minus 3, that is minus 4 whole square. And after that, under root of minus 4 whole square is minus into minus plus 4, 16, and plus 4, 16. Already I told that distance is equal to 32. What do we have? If you split the root value, what will be that? 6. D is equal to root 16 into 2. 16 to 32. We have split it into the one is a perfect square number and one is a normal form. So D is equal to square root of 16 is root 16 is 4 and remaining inside the root, that is for square units. This is the AB and BC. Now we have to find CA. Now note it down and I will continue here only that second part. So we have to take the third point C, A, CA. C is minus 2, minus 1 and A is that 1, 5. So x1, y1, x2 and y2. The distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now x2 is 1 minus 7, x1 is minus 2 like that and the whole square. But both minus is there. The double minus sign is there, we have to put in the bracket form. Now plus of y2 is 5 minus y1 is minus 1. The whole square. Right? Whole square. And d is equal to, so 1 minus into minus plus 2 whole square plus 5 minus into minus plus 1 whole square, right? And d is equal to under root 2 plus 1 is 3 whole square plus 5 plus 1 is 6 whole square. After that, I will write here d is equal to under root 3 square is 9 plus 6 square is 36. If we add 1, what we will get here? I will write here only. And d is equal to 36 plus 9, how much? 45. So root 45. And we can split off that 45 also. 45. And I will split 9 5s are 45. This was 9 is a perfect square number. 3 3s are 9. And 9 5s are 45. That is a normal number. And d is equal to square root of 9 is 3. Root 3 9 is that is 5. This is the AC. See, this is AB is first point. We got AB. AB is root 5. First point. BC. BC what we got? 4 root 4. And what is CA? That is 2 root 5. All the points are getting different. If it is their same, then we call it as that is a collinear. Now the last point we have to write. Therefore, these 3 points are not collinear. These are not collinear. Understood? Note it down. So here the fourth question, check whether 5 minus 2 and 6 4 and 7 minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Right? So what do you mean by isosceles triangle? We know that for any triangle, just assume here A, B, C, at least any 2 sides are equal, then we call it as that is an isosceles triangle. Right? At least 2 sides are equal in length, then the triangles are said to be isosceles triangle. Right? Now we have to start A, B, B, C and C, B. This is A, B and C. Let us start. So, solution A. So, here A, that is given 5 minus 2 and B 6 4. Now we have to put in a value x1, y1 and x2, y2. Right? The distance formula we have to apply. B is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now the distance formula, according to the distance formula, we have to put the values. That is x2 is 6 minus 7 and x1 is 5. Whole square plus y2 is 4 minus y1 is minus 2. Whole square. Right? The distance is, according to the distance, 6 minus 5 is 1 whole square plus 4, that is 4 minus into minus. This is also minus into minus plus 2. Whole square. 4 plus 2 6 whole square. Under root of square is 1 plus 4 plus 2 6. 6 square is 36. 6 is 36. If you add, you will get root 37. This is a square root of 1. We got here. That is a 37. It is a prime number. 37 is a prime number. We cannot split in that. Now we have to find then BC. We have to find AB what and BC, then CA. We have to check. Right? Now we have to find, this is the second part I am going to do. Then B is 6, 4 and C is 7, minus 2. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. According to the distance formula, we have to keep the value x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Right? So after that, so what is the value of t under x2? What is x2? x2 is 7 minus 7. x1, what is x1? 6 plus y2. What is y2? Minus 2 and minus 7. y1 minus 4. y1 is minus 4. So 7 minus 6 is 1 whole square plus minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 minus 6 whole square is 36. So we can write here 6 minus 6 whole square and b is equal to under root 1 square is 1 plus 6 square is 36. Minus into minus plus 36. Both if you add, we will get root 37. This is also we got second also similar. Now we have to find the third, that is CA or AC. Right? First you note it down that. Now we have to find the third part, AB, BC and now CA we have to find, or AC or CA, no problem. C 7 and A is, that is 5 minus 2, right? This is 5 minus 2. So we have to put in that x1, y1, x2, y2, right? So now we have to apply difference is equal to formula x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, right? So I will write here little bit. I will take inside there. Now this is equal to under root. What is x2? x2 is 5 minus x1. x1 is 7 whole square plus y2. y2 is minus 2 minus y1 minus 2 minus 2 whole square, right? So this is equal to under root 5 minus 7, 7 minus 5 minus 2 whole square plus this is minus 2 minus into minus plus 2 whole square, and after that d is equal to minus 2 whole square is 4 plus 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 square is 0. Then what we got? D is equal to root 4 is 2 square is. So we got two sides are getting equal, root 37 and root 37, how much difference we are getting. Therefore it is an isosceles triangle. This is an isosceles triangle. Got understood? AB, BC and CA, that two sides are getting equal, then we call it as it is an isosceles triangle. No doubt. So the question number 5th I am not going to explain. This is for only activity part will be there. So next I am going to explain the question number 6, first part. I did not wrote in the question. I will read and explain here. Name the types of quadrilateral form. Quadrilateral means how many sides? That is for 4-sided figure. Already you have studied in a 9th standard, right? So if any by the following points are given reasons for your answer. So these the given 4 points, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is A side, B side, C side and D side. So 4 sides we are getting AB, BC and CD and DA. Then after that, the 2 diagonals also we have to find, that is AC and AC diagonal and BD diagonal also we have to find the points. Understood? Same we have to apply one sum in the 3 sums are there in the 6th main. I am going to explain the first one and remaining sum solve, that is for you to homework in the classworks. Right? So first 4 points will be given. This is K, this is B, this is C and D. We have to consider. Right? So next first of all I have to take the first side, that is for AB side. Remember, AB side. A, that is minus 1 comma minus 2. That is x1, y1. And B, 1 comma 0. That is x2, y2. Right? Again the same similar formula, distance y. D is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. According to the formula, first side we are taking, that is D. In place of AB we are right. Distance, that is for AB distance. We are finding the distance is AB. Right? A is equal to under root. What is x1? What is x2? x2 is 1. Minus x1 minus 1. Plus y2. y2 is 0. y2 is 0. Minus n. y1 minus 2. Minus 2 whole square. AB is equal to 1 minus 2 minus plus 1 whole square plus 0, 0 will be minus 2 minus plus 2 whole square, right? And AB is equal to plus 1 plus 1, 2 whole square plus 2 whole square. Now AB is equal to under 2 square is 4 plus 2 square is also 4. Again the same thing we have to do here. So here I will write here. So AB is equal to I'll write here only. I can solve in the second part here. See. So AB is equal to 2 square. 2 square is 1 plus 1, 2 square is 4 plus 2 square is 4. Then AB is equal to 8. We can split the root 8. Then AB is equal to 4 to the 8 perfect square number. 1 is a perfect square, and I will write here. AB is equal to square root of 4 is 2, and inside root. This is root 2 left, and square root of perfect square root is 4. 4. I will write here 4. 4 is 2, and remaining inside the root 2 is as it is. That is the AB value. Now we have to find, that is for first side over. Now we have to find the second side, that is for BC. So right here, B value. What is the B value? 1, 0. And C value. C is minus 1, 2. I can put x1, y1 and x2, y. Right? So according to the distance formula, directly I will put then BC is equal to, I will not put the formula, directly I am writing according to the formula. First one is x2. x2 is what? x2 is minus 1. Minus 1 and minus sign formula, and x1 is 1. Then plus y2 is 2. Minus n, and what is y1? 0 whole square. That is BC is equal to under root minus 1 minus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 0 is 2 only, 2 whole square, right? And BC is equal to square root of 2 square is under root 4 plus 2 square is under root 4. Now same we are getting the same here also, BC also. Then BC is equal to root 8. Now I can solve. Then BC is equal to, I can split 4 to the 8, right? This is split, one is perfect square number, one is a normal number. Then BC is equal to square root of 4 is 2, root 4 is 2, and remaining 2 as it is. That is for square roots. This is BC. Now we have to find the AB and BC over. Next we have to find CD. I can find here only, I got that one. What is CD? What is C? C is minus 1, 2. That is x1, y1. And D, what is the D value? Minus 3, 0, x2, y2. Right? BC, CD. Then we got the same value from here. And I will put it on distance formula. Directly I put under root x2 minus x1 whole square. x2 minus x1. x2 is minus 3. Minus n. x1 minus 1. Minus 1 whole square plus y2 is 0. Minus y1, that is 2 whole square. And CD is equal to under root, that is minus 3 minus 2 minus plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 2 is 2, that is whole square. And CD is equal to minus 3 plus 1, that is 2, under root minus 2 whole square plus 2 square is 4. Now CD is equal to plus 2 square is 4, minus 2 square is 4, plus this 4, right? So after that, CD is equal to plus 4, we got same 8. 4 plus 4, 8, again we have to CD, we can split 4 to 8. Again CD is equal to square root of 4 is 2, and inside left, that is also we got square root for CD. First note it down, then afterwards I will do that AB over BC, CD over, next DA I will find out, and the two diagonals also, that is for AC and BD I will find out. First you copy that. Now the DA part we have to find, that is for D. Now the D value we are getting, D and A value we have to find. So D value we are taken from this -3, 0 and A comma, that is A is -1, -2. X1, Y1, X2, Y2, the distance formula X2 minus X1 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole square, and D is equal to under root that X2 is -1 and minus sign X1 is -3 and whole square plus Y2, what is Y2? Y2 is -2 and minus sign, what is Y1? 0. Y1 is 0 here, Y1 is 0. So again D is equal to -1 minus into minus plus 3 whole square plus -2 plus 0 is -2 whole square plus 3 minus 1 we have to subtract. That what we will get? 3 minus 1, that is 2 whole square, and plus of -2 whole square is 4. Minus into minus plus 2 square is 4. Again root 2 square is 4 plus 4, we got same. Again root 8. Again we have to split, that is 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8, again square root of 4, and I will write P is equal to square root of 4 is 2 and 2, this we got 2 answer. Got it? Now I have to find the two diagonal lines. What we have to find? The two diagonal lines I have to find. So I should find the two diagonal lines, that is AC. All the sides we are getting 2 root 2. AB side 2 root 2. BC 2 root 2. CD 2 root 2. And here also we are getting 2 root 2. Now I have to find the diagonals of the AC and BD diagonals. AC and BD diagonals. That is A, that is -1, comma -2. And AC, this is the diagonal line. C -1, right? X1, Y1, X2, Y2, right? The distance I will put directly, that the distance I will replace, that is for DA we have to write DA, and here AC is equal to, I am going to write directly the value from here. I am not writing the formula. According to the formula I am putting the value X2, that is -1, minus sign, and X1 is also -1 whole square plus Y2 is 2 minus Y1 is also -2, so the whole square, right? Then AC is equal to, that is -1 minus into minus plus 1 whole square plus, that is 2 minus into minus plus 2 whole square, and AC is equal to plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 gets 0 plus 2 plus 2 4 whole square. Then AC is equal to 0 is divided and 4 square is 16, and square root of 16 is, that is 4 square units. We got AC the first diagonal. Now we have to find the BD diagonal, AC and BD diagonals. B, what the value of B? That is 1, 0, and B, that is B -3, 0. Right? Now, according to that, so we have to take the distance. This is X1, Y1, and X2, Y2. In the distance formula, I am taking the B directly. Now X2, what is X2? Formula according to the X2 is -3 and minus sign. What is X1? -1 plus Y2 is 0, and Y1 is also 0, right? And BD is equal to the root -3 -1 -4. Both are in minus sign. We have to add and put the value in minus sign, and 0 and 0 is whole square. And BD is equal to 4 square is root 16, and square root of 16 is root 16 is 4. That is square units. Now both the diagonals are we got 4 centimeters. So then we call it as, what we have to call, we have to call AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA, and R what we have to write, R equal to a quadrilateral. Then and AC is equal to PD are diagonals. Diagonals are also equal. This is the final answer. So we got the step by step. So the first one I have sixth way, first one I have solved. The second one and third one, the sixth way you have to solve by itself. Now copy that. Now the question number 7 I will read. So I did wrote the question, I will read and explain here. Question number 7. Find the points on the x-axis. This is x-axis. Find the points on the x-axis. That x is given, the y value is not given. Only on the x-axis the given. Y is not there. When we have to put that y-axis, which is equidistant from the 2 points, that is 2 minus 5, and b is minus 2 comma 9. That is given on the x-axis. We have to find that is that point. We have to be that is x comma y. X is there on x-axis. Y is not there. We have to put y value. We have to put a 0. Understood? Now again, A is equal to PB. Now A is equal to PB. Now we have to find P into A, P into B. So we have to apply the using 2 methods will be there. Which is simple method I will apply. One that is for easy method I am going to explain. Then P is equal to PB. We have to put in a squaring on the basis. Now I will take using a detailed explanation only. So I don't want to explain squaring on both the sides. So how you people you will get confusion. So P is equal to PB. Let us P. So P value that is for P and A. P value that is x comma 0, x1, y1, and A value that is 2 comma minus 1. This is one part. And the second part I am going to P x comma 0 and B that is minus 2 comma 9. This is also x1, y1, so y1 and x2, y2. Right? So according to this, we have to put in the distance form. B is equal to under x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And the D is equal to, what is x2? x2 is what? x2, y2. Right? PA. This is the left side, this is right side. Right? So x2 is 2. x2 is 2 minus x1 is x1 and the whole square plus y2 is minus 5 is 0, that is whole square, and b is equal to similarly. Then we have to write 2 minus x whole square plus minus 5 whole square. Minus 5 whole square is 25. Alright? 5 square plus 0 is the weight. Then we got this value first. Hold it. Now come to that point. Similarly, d is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2. This we have to put PA. Here we have to write PA. Okay. This is PA. This is also PA. Now I will put the formula y2 minus y1 whole square. Now we are taking that is PB. P and PA. Now x2 is minus 2 minus x1 is x whole square plus y2. What is y2? y2 is 9 minus y1 is 0 whole square. Right? This is y1. This is x1. Okay? Now PB is equal to under root minus 2 comma minus x square is 81. 9 square is 81. This is the 4 point. Now, therefore, I will take PA is equal to PB. PA is here and PB is here. PA and is equal to PB. What is the PA? Under root. That is 2 minus x whole square plus 25 is equal. What is PB? I will write off here. That is minus 2 minus x whole square plus 85. Right? Both I have left. PA is equal to PB. Now, in is equal to the square roots, squares and get cancelled. What is the left here? 2 minus x whole square plus 25 is equal to 9. Minus 2 minus x whole square plus 85. What? Now, we see here, this is first term minus second term whole square. It is in the form of a minus b whole square formula. We know that. See, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2a1 plus of b square. According to the formula, we have to put and keep here. See, 2 minus x whole square is equal to a square. A is 2 square minus 2. A is 2 and b is x. B is x. 2ab plus b square is x square. Now b square is 4. I will write here our same. So here I will write here a square minus 2ab plus b square plus of last value is 4. According to that I wrote. Now here also a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square and plus of 8. That's the same formula we have applied here. Right? So we have applied the same formula. Okay, this formula you have to remember. So here 2 square is 4 minus 2 to the 4 into x 4x plus x square plus 25 is equal to minus 2 square is 4 and minus 1 is plus 4x and plus x square plus of 81. This plus x square and plus x square get cancelled. If you transpose this side, it will become minus n. This plus 4, if you transpose, it will become minus n. This 4 and this 4 get cancelled. Now remaining part I will write on the top. So here, now we can see here what is the left things. I will write it here. Remaining part minus 4x square plus 25. Minus 4x plus 25 is equal to plus 4x plus 80. 4x plus 80. Right? After that, if I take this side, this value I take this side very well. Minus 4x and minus 4x plus 4x. If I take this side, it will become minus n. And 81, this plus will go to be minus transpose. Right? Number to number and constant algebraic term to algebraic term I have taken. Minus 4 minus 8. 81 minus, that we have to subtract. 11 minus 5 is 6 and 7 left here. 7 minus 2 is 56 and x is equal to minus of 56 divided by 8. The product value of the transpose together will be don't get confused. Minus 8 here. 8 1 8 7 56. X is equal to minus sign will be there, then 7 will be the value of this is the final answer. Now note it down. Now the question number 8, I will read and explain. Find the value of y. Find the value of y for which the distance between the 2 points P, that is P is given. P, that is 2, and Q, that is given 10, y. And the distance is given, the distance, and the P value is given Now we have to find the value of y. We have to take the former distance formula. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is x1, y1, x2, y. Right? So here, according to the d is given to 10. So the 8th one already I wrote. So p value will be there. Question already I got. Now p value will be there. x1 2 comma minus 3 and q value and the distance is given. The d is equal to 10 square units. Now here the distance formula, this is x1, y1, x2 and y2. The distance formula we are taken. T is equal to x2 minus under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. After that, the d value we are taken from that here 10 and the root value will be there. That is x2. x2 is 10 minus x1. x1 is 2 whole square plus that is y2 is y only and minus of y1 is minus 3 whole square. So 10 minus 2 is 8 whole square. The root will be given to the square written back. Already I got. So here you see x square is equal to 9 and x is equal to square will be in a root 9. Right? Square should be changing in a root. So here you see x is equal to root 9. I will reverse to that square. X square is equal to 9. Right? The root should be given to the reverse square. That reverse square should be given on the square. And 10 minus 2, 8 whole square plus y minus 3 minus plus 3, that is plus 3 whole square. Right? So 10 square is 100 is equal to 8 square is 64 plus y plus 3 whole square. If I transpose this side, then 100 minus 64 plus 64, if I transpose this side is equal to that side. So minus 64 and is equal to y plus 2 whole square. 100 minus 64 is 36. 36 is equal to y plus 3 whole square. So I will take this side y plus 3 and plus or minus we have to take, then the square will be given in 36 is root. Right? So don't get confusion. Y plus 3 I have to, the square will be given in the root for the 36 power. Don't get confusion. After that y plus 3 is equal to plus or minus square root of 36 is root 36 is 6. After that I will make separate two branches. One is for plus 6, one is for minus 6. One is for plus 6 and one is for minus 6. Y plus 3 is equal to plus 6 and y plus 3 is equal to minus 6. So plus 3 transpose this side, y is equal to 6 minus 3, y is equal to 6 minus 3 is 3. Similarly, the plus 3 if I transpose this side, y is equal to minus 6 and minus 3, y is equal to 9. This is the final answer. This is the question number 8. 9, question number 9. Question number 9 and question number 10 that you have to write yourself, you have to solve by itself. In the class work, you have to complete and write. Thank you for watching the video.